Hi everyone, David Lewis here. You have got to be kidding me. Now I know some of these are starting to sound similar because this just keeps happening over and over and over again. So this past weekend I was at the NADA convention where I was a speaker and we had a booth. Now, there was a director of operations for a dealer group with 9 locations that I had been speaking to for the last 45 days about training in both their sales and in their service departments. They were struggling that badly in some of their stores. And he wanted to bring his dealer and some of his general managers to hear me speak and to our booth. And he did. Now, he didn't just bring some of his managers. He brought an entourage of people. There had to be 10 people. And they listened to me speak. They came by the booth, and we had a great conversation. And we mapped out a whole plan for them. We showed them somewhere in the neighborhood of $10 to $12 million of lost opportunities spread out through all of their dealerships. At the end of the show, this director of operations came to me and said, "I'm embarrassed to tell you this, but we're going to pass." He has decided that he doesn't want to spend any more money this year, that he wants to go into a cost-cutting mode. So, cost-cutting mode. So he's telling his GMs, cost-cutting mode, as he just flew them all to New Orleans. He put them all up in hotels. This director of operations told me they had one meal out that was almost $5,000 with liquor. They must have spent $20,000 to bring all these people, to get them all fired up. And then he told them, we're going to pass. We're going to go in a cost-cutting mode this year. They came to my workshop. They were fired up. We must have spent an hour and a half at our booth with all their GMs talking and going over strategy. And then the dealer decided he didn't want to train. He wanted to go in a cost-cutting mode. Well, here's the best part of all. He will cut costs, but he won't create more revenue. And this will not be a good year for them. And we wonder sometimes why we're not making more money in the car business. Good luck, everyone.